thanks for joining me today. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am installing some LED vanity lights that I'm going to put around my vanity mirror. I've never done this before, so this is all new to me. That's why I have the instructions laid out and everything, but I wanted to do it with you guys just so that you can learn too. If you've got a vanity like mine where you need some lighting and you just wanted something simple but that would last a long time, I would recommend LED lights. And so that's why I got these. I got these from Amazon. They came in this box. I'm not really familiar with the brand. They're Hollywood style vanity lights, and they are to border your mirror. And the brand that I chose was LP Humex, which was an Amazon choice item. So I decided to go with it because it had thousands of good reviews, and it was a good price. It was $19.99, and they're LED, so that's all that mattered to me. And they look like they would border a square or rectangular mirror really well. And so I'll show you guys what that looks like at the end when I'm finished, but I'm just going to kind of go through it, and you guys can watch me as I put them on the mirror. Right now they are in strips that I've already started cutting. As you can see that they are separated by about a few inches once you cut them. So when they come together like this, and then you will cut here, and then it will become a long strip like this. And I haven't counted these yet, so I don't know how many there are, but it looks like it's going to be more than enough for what I need, because I'm only, even though my vanity mirror is a full-size body mirror, which I'll show you, I'm only going to put them at the top half because that's really the only place that I need them to be. So this may be more than enough, or maybe not. I'm not sure because I haven't measured yet. But on the back, it's got this tape adhesive, so I would remove this red portion and I would stick them on. Now they do say that you want to measure out, so that may be something that I do is after I cut all of these, I will line them up and measure them out before I stick them, or before I remove the adhesive and stick them on the mirror, because I don't want to stick them before I measure out and then either I run out or it's too long or it's crooked. So I will just kind of line them up first. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's finish cutting. Okay guys, I've got my scissors here that I've been using to cut. The instructions that come with it, the installation steps, are pretty simple. It's a 5-step process. It does tell you to measure out, which I'm going to do that after I cut. And then it tells you to cut and separate, and then it tells you to stick, and it comes with a power adapter. So this is awesome. There are no batteries. Yay! So I would just plug this in to this. I'm going to take this out and put these scissors down for a sec to show you guys how it's going to plug in at the end. And this is the connection piece that I believe the adapter will go into here. That will plug into the wall. And then this piece, oh I see it, this piece will connect to the end of the light cord. So pretty simple. But it is a fairly large adapter, so just make sure that you have the wall space to plug this in. And it has a light indicator here, so once you plug it in, I guess it tells you that it's okay if it's green. I'm not sure what color yet, I haven't done it, but I like that it has an indicator light to let you know that it's working. Alright, so I'm going to continue cutting carefully, and all you're doing is folding, and then you're kind of cutting in the middle, and it's really simple once you start. It just cuts right on through, just like that. Hey guys, so I've already cleared off my vanity, so I'm going to go ahead and try to see how these strips are going to fit. They're all separated, so I've cut all of them separate and apart, and I'm going to make sure that my plug, or wherever my socket is going to be, and where I'm going to plug in my adapter is going to be on the right side. So I'm going to make sure the plug on the lights is also on the right side. So that is how I'm going to measure. So I'm just going to stick these up here and really just let them fall. I'm not doing a perfect, precise measurement, but I just want to see how they fit, and then I can go ahead and stick once I know that they are going to fit the way that I expect them to. So I'm going to let those dangle, and like I said, I'm only putting these up here for half of the mirror, even though this is a full-size mirror. So I probably, as I could see, well, actually they're just long enough to go halfway. Maybe just a couple hang down. So it's actually a perfect length to do half of my full-size body mirror. And I'd probably say that this is a 5, maybe 5 foot mirror, maybe 5.5. So I'm just gonna see. I think I like 4 at the top, 4 strips at the top. And I just need to make sure that if I do that, that it's going to be even on both sides. Meaning that it's going to be the same length when the strips on the side hang. So I'm just gonna turn it and see if this works best. Maybe just 3 at the top. And I'm thinking that's probably the way that I will go, because it looks like either way they're not going to be 100% even hanging down, which is fine. Again, I'm only trying to concentrate on the top part, or the top half of the mirror. So I think I'm going to go with, I was trying to do to where it'd be 4 strips at the top, but 4 won't fit, and I don't want them diagonal. I want them to be completely straight. So I'm just going to have it to where there are 3 strips at the top, and I'm going to choose these 3 because it looks like this is the most even hanging down. So this is the way I'm going to have it, guys, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and stick these 3, and I'm going to start sticking from there and see how it goes. Hey guys, so as you can see, the lights are finished. I'm so sorry about the glare. I don't know how to get rid of it, but I wanted to make sure that you could see it with as minimal light as possible. It's not nighttime, so I can't show you, but I can tell you that they're very, very bright, brighter than they look in the picture because of the glare, or in the video. But yeah, this is the Vanity. I put everything back on, and you can see that the lights go actually a little bit more than halfway down, and I have them plugged up at the bottom here underneath. And that little applicator right there, I just touch it on and off, and it works like a gem. I can actually do that for you right now so you could see. There you go. And all I'm doing is touching, and you can see how bright it is. So I am extremely happy. Again, Amazon, 20 bucks. It's Amazon choice item. It's JP Humex, if I'm saying that correctly. And yeah, 20 bucks for a set of LED vanity lights. that do not require any battery. So I am super pleased with them so far. I'm curious to see if they last a while, which I'm sure being LED they will. And it looks gorgeous, guys. It doesn't take away from the look of the Vanity at all, especially when the lights are on. And, you know, I get up super early in the morning. It's dark. My husband's still sleeping. I want to be able to sit here and enjoy doing my eye makeup for work without waking him up, turning on, you know, the bedroom light. So hopefully this won't distract him too much, but I don't think it will. But it's just nice to, you know, have these lights here to brighten up the place. So that makes me really, really happy. Anyway, super easy to install, as you've seen, guys, and I highly recommend this product. I hope you grab it, ladies, and that you enjoy it. And that is all. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, please. And if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up down there. And again, don't forget to subscribe, friends. All right. See you on the next one. Bye.